guys, welcome back to my channel. So before we get on into this look, let me tell you a little bit about my nails and show you them up close. So here are my nails. These are my natural nails, but I have S&S Jealous Color on top, which is basically a nail polish powder, and you guys can search it. There's like a whole process to it, but I do them myself. So that's basically what you'll always see on my nails recently for like months and months, maybe the past year even. Then today when I was like, what do I want to film? I was like going through my drawers in my makeup collection, and I picked this up right here, which is a Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner in spandex. This shade is exactly my nail shade. It is insane how much it matches, and I was like, that's it. I'm inspired. I need to do a look matching my nails. So this is where this look came from today. I'm obsessed. I know it looks really similar to my navy smoky eye, but it's actually more teal and sparkly. And to be honest, I don't even care if it looks too similar because it was just too pretty not to show you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this look, and if you guys want to stick around to see how I got it, then just keep on watching. The first shadow I'm picking up is Makeup Geek Eyeshadow in Peach Smoothie. With my Sigma E38 diffused crease brush, I'm running this shadow through my crease. It's good to have a transition shade, especially with shadows of this color. I find them sometimes to be a little patchy, so running something through your crease as a transition is definitely going to help it be a little bit more blendable. I'm going into NYX Cosmetics Ultimate Multi-Finish Shadow Palette in Smoke Screen, and I'm picking up this dark teal shadow. I'm switching over to my Sigma E25 blending brush, and I'm using a really light hand. I basically just want the brush to be kind of like grazing my crease because I don't want it to be super patchy. So using a really light hand is just going to make sure that you don't make it really harsh and you can blend it out easier. I'm now picking up a little bit more of this shadow, and again I'm using still a really light hand. And I'm going to start darkening up my crease. I'm not going to make it super dark right now because I am going to darken it up after I apply that eyeliner on my lid. So just going back and forth, blending this out. For my lid, I'm picking up the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in LSD. This pencil is so beautiful, so what I'm going to do is start applying this all over my lid. And you want to work kind of quick because they do set. And I want to make sure that I can blend this out before it does set. The first layer doesn't have to be super neat, it just has to roughly cover your lid. And then what I'm going to do is kind of drag it a little bit in that fold of my crease, just so I can blend it into my crease. And then I'm just going to take my finger and start kind of rubbing that in and making sure it's slightly more even. Now using this Makeup Geek Outer V brush, you want to blend that pencil into the shadow and work quick. And you want to just make sure that you really blend out the pencil. You don't want a harsh line. You can do little downstrokes, little circular motions. Now this is where I'm going to go ahead and darken up the crease even more. So I picked up the shadow on the tip of this brush, and in between where the shadow and this lid shadow is, I'm going to place my brush right in between and stamp that shadow on first. I know this is going to feel really weird because you're used to blending, but we are going to go back and blend, but I'm first just going to stamp that shadow in. Because if I would just go ahead and start blending right now, it would just get really patchy because the pencil is slightly tacky still. And this way I'm kind of like setting that pencil in that crease, and then we can go back and start blending this out. And then I am going to reapply that pencil on my lid once again to darken up that area. And now just concentrate on blending. And now this time when I'm going to apply the pencil back onto my lid, I'm going to make sure that I cover all of that lid space. And I'm not going to touch that onto my crease. Look at how beautiful this pencil is. I'm picking up a little bit more of Peach Smoothie and just blending that through that high point of the crease. And this shadow, I don't know what it is about the shadow, but it just diffuses other shadows so beautifully. To highlight my brow bone, I'm picking up Makeup Geek Eyeshadow in Mirage. Now I'm going to highlight my brow bone using my Sigma E32 Exact Blend brush. Picking up that dark teal and just really smoking this out. So I'm picking up the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner in Spandex. Okay, I'm so mad because this was the whole point of this look, was this glitter, and my camera did not record that whole section of me applying it. So all I did was just apply the glitter all over my lid, just on the lid space, and then I let that set, and I applied another layer, and then you can also apply it on your finger and then pat that on, and it'll give you that really nice distributed beautiful glitter. Now using the Sigma Standout Eyes Gel Liner in Wicked, now I'm just going to line my upper waterline, and I picked up this gel liner on my Sigma E06 Wing Liner brush. And then to just line my lower waterline. I'm now just going to apply some mascara and false lashes, and today I'm going to be using these Esquito lashes and Voila Lash. And that's the eye look done. I am obsessed with this look. Do you see that sparkle? Just look at it. It's gorgeous. Okay, so for my lips, I'm going to be using the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick in Fair Game. I love the Smashbox liquid lipstick formulas, so I don't know if I've ever tried this particular shade, but I hope it's going to be a pretty nude. And that is it. This is a completed look of my sparkly teal smoky eye. I hope you guys enjoyed. Honestly, you can find inspiration in anything. When I get stuck in a rut, I don't only look at makeup looks to get inspired. I look at the most random things, like my nails inspire me, the weather outside can inspire me, patterns, honestly anything. And I think it's so much fun to just find inspiration from the most random things and then create a really cool look in the end. I'm obsessed with this look, and I hope you guys were as well. So if you guys liked this video, give it a thumbs up so I know that you guys did. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you guys want to follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter, that'd be right here, as well as down in the description box. And the list of all the products that I used today will be linked down below as always, and I think that should be it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!